Hey guys, Dave Mello here with MarineMax Brick. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough on our 2025 Sea Ray 260 SXO in Kingfisher Teal. Come aboard. Starting at the stern of the boat, I'm going to point out that this boat has the stone interior option. We did sea deck on the platform and it runs throughout the boat. I'll point that out when we step inside. You have a white Mercury Verado 300 horse, and this sun pad is just amazing, the amount of space that you have back here with a dedicated backrest. Underneath here you have very ample storage for water toys or anything that you may want to bring with you for a day out on the water. You also have a nice little dedicated integrated cooler that's underneath this back as well. Stepping into the boat, I will point out the sea deck. So you have sea deck all throughout the flooring of this boat. Nice wraparound seating here. There is a table that will clip into here, giving your guests a place to rest their drinks and stuff like that. Co-captain and captain seats, backrest come up, very comfortable. At the helm, I'll point out that you have twin Simrad screens, Fusion stereo, Lenco trim tabs with your indicator, and all of the switching is very nicely laid out, easily accessible. You also have wireless phone chargers throughout the boat, which makes a day out on the water very nice. Moving forward, I will show the head. This boat is equipped with a vacuum flush head, plenty of space. And at the bow, plenty of seating. Again, my name is Dave Mello. This was just a short walkthrough on the 2025-26 SLX Outboard. If you would like to learn more about the boat or would like to stop by to see the boat in person, give us a call, 732-840-2100. Ask for Dave in Sales.